Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well out there. Your girl's trying to come back regularly. I'm trying my best, and thank you guys for your support. My client here came to me and said, "Hey, I want something different. I don't know what I want, but I want to look different. I want my hair to be healthy." We kind of talked about color, so she kind of mentioned what she was looking for. So I told her, let's do something that's natural, something that she can maintain at home, not too bright or too out there, very subtle. So I tried to use the balayage method, so it doesn't look like she just got her hair colored, and even if it grows out, is something that she can maintain as well. And I did do a strand test before I start with the color, so I know that her hair can handle a subtle color, and that her curls can be intact and her natural hair is still healthy. So we went ahead and colored her hair. She had no idea what I was doing, so she just was like, I trust you, go ahead. So that's why I chose this color, and it's something that she can maintain at home. But make sure every time you guys get a color, you treat it, moisturize it at all times. And so here's the color. I hope you guys like it. She was in love with it. It's something that goes with her skin color, and her curls are intact and her hair is still healthy. So afterwards, we went ahead and did our famous rollers and style. So the tension rollers are on the website. Right now we're out of the white, but the pink and the other colors are still on the website. My brushes are on the website, so go ahead and support on hairstylesbyeden.com. And by the way, the pink rollers are for long and medium hair, so you guys can use it for long hair or medium length hair, and the rest of the colors that I have are for short hair. So I hope you guys like this and enjoy the video. Thank you so much for your support again.